but imagine a bot that actually does it for you. It's kind of complicated. So put in money and let it grow. Let it grow for you and let it work for you. So to me, that's an amazing use of AI and crypto.
Ping, ping, ping. Time to buy this coin over here because it's hitting these metrics you've made.
Imagine two of the biggest mega trends in the last century coming together to build something mind-boggling, something nuclear. And we're talking about the combination of AI and cryptocurrency. Both are trends and both are massive mega trends that James and I are involved in, deeply involved in. We're both crypto investors. We've both been involved in crypto. We've created courses about crypto, and we're deeply into AI as well. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the convergence of these two and the many different ways that these two can work together to not only make you richer, but also make you smarter.
It's crazy, and we've been involved with cryptocurrency for a long time. We've been involved with AI for a long time, but it's interesting. Like when crypto goes on its next bull run, everyone's going to be on a crypto. Is going to be a crypto expert. Right now, where AI is hot, everyone's an AI expert. But the bottom line is there's a lot of validity to both things, and there's a lot of ways that we're going to be able to use AI with crypto. First of all, let's just bring up this article, Dave, if we just want to
Yeah.
talk about this. And one thing that Dave and I talked about just before making this video, they actually mentioned on this headline before we even said it, but let's just read it here. It says, for every genuine blockchain project harnessing artificial intelligence in an attempt to create a better world, there are 100 coins like AI Doge that have simply wedged the hype up terms AI and crypto. So that's the thing. A lot of people are just saying AI with crypto because it is so hot, and people are buying coins just because of that. I'm not saying that's right, but we need to take a step ahead of that. So number one, the thing about cryptocurrency is that anyone can create a cryptocurrency. You can go into ChatGPT today and have it tell you how to make your own cryptocurrency. And it will tell you how to do that. And you can have a cryptocurrency, no word of a lie, that you create today that could be worth $1 million tomorrow. Now, are you able to pull $1 million out of that? Probably not. Maybe it says $1 million on paper, but it's actually worth 30 cents that you can get out of it. But there are going to be some cases where you could create something that could be worth hundreds of millions of dollars. Be careful what you wish for, but that's the power. You may not be an expert in all the technicalities of this, but you can use the AI to create crypto stuff. Then, on top of that, where are things going to go in 2024? Well, if we look at, let's say, trading or bots, there's going to be, I guarantee it, and it might already exist right now, but I guarantee it, they're going to be able to use AI to say, tell me when to buy this coin. Tell me when to sell so that I'm not thinking about it. I put in my confidence levels, my abilities, and I say, I really want to be aggressive or I want to be conservative. And when it hits these markers, or I say, act like an investor here and do this particular strategy, and then all of a sudden it's telling me, ping, 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 time to buy this coin over here because he's hitting these metrics you've made. Or it actually does it for you and runs for you. So
Yeah.
AI is, in my opinion, going to insert itself into the crypto world with what I consider to be an upcoming bull run. We'll see if that happens, but I believe it's going to happen. And Dave, I know you think the same thing. When crypto has that bull run, it's going to be interesting how AI, in a whole bunch of different ways, gets in there. So I think it's very important right now, before this bull run happens, at the time of creating this video, how are you going to insert yourself with AI into crypto? Because there's going to be a lot of money that could be made.
There's actually, and we know this, there's trading bots that already work for you that are AI driven. What I'm looking for is something, you and I, James, know about this concept called yield farming in crypto. And yield farming is this incredible way to generate passive income using crypto. Imagine a yield farming bot. It just does the yield farming for you because the thing that's kept me from doing yield farming is knowing the technical ways about it and why you do it and how you do it. But imagine a bot that actually does it for you. It's kind of complicated. So a bot could do that for you, and you could just put in money and let it grow. Let it grow for you and let it work for you. So to me, that's an amazing use of AI and crypto. Another idea I have is, in the last crypto bull run a few years ago, I made this crypto masterclass that went into detail, intense detail on all the beginner stuff that you need to know about crypto. So imagine creating a GPT around that content. I take all those videos, transcribe them, put them into a PDF, upload that to a GPT, and now the GPT can answer that beginner's questions about crypto taken from the course, that kind of thing. So there's so many ways that AI and crypto are going to converge. I'm looking forward to it. We are on the precipice of a massive bull run, incredibly huge bull run in crypto because of several reasons. Bitcoin is going to have its halving, which simply means that the supply will be cut in half. That always means big jump in the price of Bitcoin and therefore the price of every other crypto. Also, there's talks of a spot Bitcoin ETF coming along, which means that some of the big players are finally going to give it some legitimacy. It's going to be approved by the SEC, I believe. And when that happens, watch out because all the institutional money is going to come in. All these companies are going to put Bitcoin on their treasuries because now it'll be a legitimized, it'll be a real way to get into crypto that people will feel more safe because it's regulated by the SEC and all that kind of thing. So sorry for all the crypto talk, but the bottom line is we're about to experience a massive bull run. And when that happens and we combine AI with it, ChatGPT with it, watch out. It's going to be amazing. You're going to want to stay tuned to this channel because we're going to be breaking it all down as it happens. We're going to be coming up with mind-boggling ideas as they come up. And the best way to do that is get on our free AI newsletter at the link in the description below. It's totally free. We send you our latest videos. We send you news, information, all about the world of making money with AI. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to get that, and we'll see you next time on Making Money with AI.